He doesn't care.
Anything more? Anyway.
See how he could nearly drown.
Well, that's why he has to blow bubbles. So the water doesn't go up his nose.
You should have seen another carrot. 6 inches deep. It's moving pretty fast.
See, that's how he drinks. Look, he sets his nose on the rim.
Look.
You ready?
And you said he fell in somewhere, didn't he?
Oh God, that was awful.
Dramatic, huh?
He cried. I had to